Hey guys, this is my Roth I handcuffs, and but the double lock is not on this side here. It's on this side. It's on this side right here. This is how you double lock it. It cannot go any further, and this is how you undouble lock it. And this is my first pair of police graded handcuffs. Uh. I'll recommend if I should get Peerless or the Century Cuffs by Asp. These are my two handcuff sets. I like the Smith & Wesson ones better because they're slick as snot. And make sure to follow for more handcuff videos. Bye.